Right now the year I plant some seed in the farm. Yeah, right here, so you see we have dig up right here, so some melon seed we are gonna plant right here, so. So we're planting melon seeds today. We'll go ahead and drop in some seed right here, so. Actually, all of here, so we are plant out. But I just do one, make you see how we plant it and how it will turn out in a 20-day time. Viewers and subscribers. So this is how the melon look in a 4 weeks time. Already a spring and already a blossom come out. Yeah, so this is how it look, viewers and subscribers. That one here about 2 months. So within 2 month time, you will have melon that grow up on the tree them. Yeah man.